Welcome back, dear friends. This is Chef Walter with Nosh You Can Eat 24. In this episode, we'll talk about the best and the worst foods. Our videocast is about sharing sensible knowledge for the protection of the consumer. Last week, someone suggested through an email if I knew the process that McDonald's used when making those wonderfully addicting French fries. Well, I think I have an idea, and here it goes. Potatoes get harvested in the fields and brought to the processing plant. Then the potatoes get into a conveyor belt. They are washed, skinned through a high-pressure water process. The water pressure pushes the potato through sets of blades and cuts them in various sizes. McDonald's cut is similar to the French pomme frite. And if you took French in high school, you know that pomme means apple. However, they are not fried apples, but the term refers to pomme de terre, which is a fruit from the earth, identified as the potato. And then the fun begins. They add sugar to potatoes to maintain the color consistency and the appearance golden at any time of the year, even if some crops may not be as good as some alternatives. They coat the fries with something called sodium acid pyrophosphate, which is not an all-natural color, but it does protect the color after the freezing process. As you know, potatoes, they will turn gray once they are exposed to oxygen. They partially fry the fries and package them for the stores. In each store, the complete cooking process continues. They add a little bit of salt, put it on a package, and you get it on your tray. One thing to remember is the frying oil, which is very important. And McDonald's has a very good procedure for in-place changing of the fat. They do that continuously, which provides crispness and freshness. Keep in mind that a large order, which accounts for about 154 grams, of those little babies can carry about 480 calories. And maybe we should go for a smaller serving. And on that, you'll make the decision. And that is all for the McDonald's French fry. Subscribe to this channel and follow us on podcast Flavors and Knowledge, which is offered on Apple Podcast, Anchor.fm, or on any of your preferred platform. Cook healthy and eat even healthier. Thanks for watching. We'll connect next time. Ciao, ciao.